Congratulations, you're parents. Now what? The journey of parenthood has just begun, and it's going to be an incredible ride. Bringing a newborn home is an incredible experience. It's a moment filled with excitement and a bit of nervousness. It's a mix of pure joy, overwhelming love, and a touch of what do we do now? These emotions are all part of the beautiful chaos of becoming parents. Don't worry, it's completely normal to feel this way. Every new parent experiences a whirlwind of feelings. Every parent goes through it. You're not alone in this, and there are many resources and communities to support you. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Connecting with other parents can be incredibly reassuring. This is a time of immense learning for both you and your little one. Every day brings new lessons and discoveries. You're getting to know each other, and that takes time. Building a bond with your baby is a gradual process. Be patient with yourself and your baby. It's okay to feel overwhelmed at times. There will be moments of laughter, moments of frustration, and everything in between. Embrace each moment as it comes. The most important thing is to trust your instincts. You know your baby better than anyone else. You are your baby's best advocate, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you adapt to this new role. Celebrate each milestone, no matter how small. Take each day as it comes, celebrate the small victories, and don't be afraid to ask for help when needed. It's okay to lean on others. Welcome to parenthood. It's the most rewarding adventure you'll ever embark on. Enjoy every precious moment. The feeding frenzy: breast versus bottle. One of the first decisions you'll face is how to feed your baby. Both breastfeeding and formula feeding are perfectly valid options, each with its own pros and cons. Breastfeeding provides ideal nutrition and antibodies. However, it can be challenging for some. Latch difficulties, milk supply concerns, and sore nipples are common hurdles. Remember, support is available. Lactation consultants can offer invaluable guidance. Formula feeding offers convenience and flexibility. Choose a formula specifically designed for newborns. Prepare it according to instructions, ensuring proper hygiene. Ultimately, the best feeding method is what works best for you and your baby. Don't be afraid to seek advice from your pediatrician if you have any concerns. Sleepless nights and dreamy days. Establishing a routine, sleep, or the lack thereof. For new parents, the struggle to get enough rest is all too real. Newborns are notorious for their unpredictable sleep patterns. They can be wide awake at 2 a.m. and fast asleep at 2 p.m. They sleep in short bursts both day and night, making it challenging for parents to get much rest. This can be exhausting and overwhelming. Don't despair. Establish a consistent sleep routine early on. This can make a world of difference in managing your baby's sleep habits. This will help regulate your baby's sleep-wake cycle over time. A predictable routine can provide comfort and security for your little one. Aim for a regular bedtime and wake-up time, even if it means waking your baby from a nap. Consistency is crucial in helping your baby understand when it's time to sleep. Create a calming bedtime routine. This can include activities like reading a bedtime story or singing a lullaby. A warm bath, followed by a gentle massage and a lullaby, can work wonders. These activities help signal to your baby that it's time to wind down. Consider using white noise to block out distractions. The consistent sound can be soothing and help your baby stay asleep longer. Swaddling can also provide a sense of security, mimicking the feeling of being held. This can be particularly comforting for newborns. Remember, patience and consistency are key. It may take some time, but your efforts will pay off. It takes time for babies to adjust to a sleep routine, so hang in there, new parents. Your perseverance will lead to more restful nights for everyone. Section 4. Diaper duty, the art of changing and cleaning. Diapering is a fundamental part of caring for a newborn. You'll become quite familiar with your baby's bottom. Newborns go through numerous diapers a day, so be prepared. Choose diapers that fit snugly but comfortably, allowing for movement without being too tight. Stock up on wipes, diaper rash cream, and a changing mat to make diaper changes more convenient. When changing diapers, always support your baby's head and neck. Clean the diaper area thoroughly, using gentle motions. Apply diaper rash cream if needed, creating a barrier to protect delicate skin. Remember, proper hygiene is crucial to prevent infections. Wash your hands thoroughly before and after every diaper change. Dispose of diapers properly to maintain a clean and healthy environment. Section 5. Baby-proofing your world: safety first. As your baby grows, their curiosity and mobility increase. Baby-proofing your home becomes essential to ensure their safety. Start by getting down on your hands and knees to see the world from your baby's perspective. Cover electrical outlets, secure furniture to prevent tipping, and install safety gates at the top and bottom of stairs. Keep choking hazards like small objects, loose cords, and plastic bags out of reach. In the kitchen, use stove guards to prevent burns and keep cleaning supplies locked away. In the bathroom, install toilet lid locks and never leave a baby unattended near water, even for a moment. Remember, baby-proofing is an ongoing process. As your child grows, you'll need to reassess potential hazards and adjust accordingly. It's better to be safe than sorry. Section 6. You are not alone. Seeking support and managing stress. Parenthood is a beautiful journey, filled with moments of joy and wonder, but it can also be overwhelming at times. The constant demands and responsibilities can take a toll on your mental and physical health. It's crucial to prioritize your own well-being and seek support when needed. Taking time for self-care activities like meditation, yoga, or even a relaxing bath can make a significant difference. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. It's important to reach out to those around you, whether it's your partner, family, or friends. Talk to your partner, family, and friends about how you're feeling. Open communication can help you feel supported and understood. Share your joys and challenges. Celebrating milestones and discussing difficulties can strengthen your bonds and provide emotional relief. Don't be afraid to ask for practical help, like a night off from diaper duty or a helping hand with household chores. Small breaks can rejuvenate you. Consider joining a support group for new parents. These groups can offer a safe space to share experiences and gain valuable insights. Connecting with others who understand the ups and downs of parenthood can provide a sense of community and reassurance. It helps to know you're not alone in this journey. Remember, taking care of yourself is essential to taking care of your baby. Engaging in activities that you enjoy can help you recharge and stay positive. Don't feel guilty about taking time for yourself, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Your well-being is crucial for your family's happiness and health. Section 7. Enjoy the ride. Parenthood is a marathon, not a sprint. Congratulations, you've made it to the end of this guide. Remember, there's no such thing as a perfect parent. You're learning and growing alongside your baby every single day. Embrace the journey, cherish the milestones, and don't sweat the small stuff. There will be challenges, but there will also be moments of pure joy and wonder that make it all worthwhile. Trust your instincts, be kind to yourself, and never underestimate the power of love. You've got this. Welcome to the incredible world of parenthood.